Okay, let's go again. Pushing my luck this morning. Okay, e4. I think Morra Smith is good fun usually. Aha! I'll play f4 here because these light squares and stuff, like a sort of okay, I have to stop Queen h4. E5 here. If I can get to play bishop f4, that would be nice. So far, 2 pawns down. But if I get bishop f4, it's 1 pawn down. And I've got that nice pawn wedge, which could be dangerous. Okay, I can't castle. And castle queenside. I'll play for castling queenside. I suppose he's got bishop f5. Is Rook c1 any good? Oh, it's got d4 coming up. It's going to be horrible. Okay, big trouble. I'll play a3 for a moment. Oh, he's got bishop a3. Oh no. Bishop a3. Knight b5 there. Is that a move? What I have to do, I can't see anything else. Actually here for knight b5 for knight d6. And bishop a3 for queen c3. Among other things. But I wanted to stop against d4, so it's a difficult position. Right. Can I just evict that queen, bishop d2, or not bother? Knight d6. Bishop d2 might be interesting. Something like g4, g5 would be an attempt at an attack. G4 actually stops bishop f5 for a moment as well. Alright, bishop c2, here there's bishop f5. Rook c1 for a moment. Trying to get this bishop away from a3. We can come in with queen b3 soon. If bishop c2, there's always bishop f5. Playing g4 just to stop bishop f5 if nothing else. Right, that's interesting. So I'm going to take, it's got bishop f5 coming in. Does that matter? I've got b4 covered. I'll go for it. What about just king, if I play king a1 or king a2? There's no knight b4 just yet. So bishop f5, king a2 protects b3 square. Okay, I'll just kick this for a moment. I'm going to try and play for g4 still. Okay, not here. I don't really like the idea of encouraging a check in theory. So I'll go here. Alright, threatening knight g3. So let's just sort of pin that. Oh, queen g2 and rook g1. Okay, so g4, just get rid of the queens, then bishop c6 after. Alright, this check here is going to be nasty. I can take on d4 here, takes my queen. If I take his queen, he's got f5 pressure. I think I should take on d4. Alright, so knight b3 is a threat. What about king, just king b1 for a moment? Knight b3 is still dangerous. Alright, so I've got just a time advantage. Nothing else. Oh dear, okay. If I play bishop b5 here, bishop f5. Alright, my king's a bit of a mating net, but if he plays bishop f5, d5 is loose, and I want to play rook c3 or rook d4, rook d4, or rook d4, rook c3. I'm trying to swallow this pawn in this position. I'll stop his d pawn. As long as bishop d3 here. Worth it. A bit of a change of plan. If I just get his b3 for my a4, play rook c5 here. Then get b3. Right. That's not good. That shouldn't have happened. Whoops. Oh man. Okay. Get my king active. King c3 is d4, unfortunately. d4 here. Okay, he's giving me an outside pawn. He's giving me munching too many pawns, isn't he? Two pawns. Build a bridge here. For rook b4. Is he going to start moving his pawns? He's not moving quick. See, that's one thing. So rook b4. He's not going to set his rook here, is he? Is he? I mean, he's taking too long. I can get to play a cheeky rook b5. Now we get this horrible scenario where I'm not sure I can stop the pawns. Aha. Wait a sec. Okay. I can get behind the pawns. The checks are going to be useful here. Oh no, I think he had f3. Whoops. Oh man. I can't get rid of his pawns here, can I? Uh-oh, I've just done the wrong thing again. Is he going to drop one of these? Sorry, yeah, it's a terrible game, isn't it? It's terrible. That I can only apologise. It's just, I don't know. It's just A3. I don't know. A3 just looks like good. I don't know. This looks over. I don't know. He just has hair. He's got knight b4, d4. This wasn't a great interpretation of the Morra-Smith Gambit. We go back, see what happened. So I think I've played this before, but I think a normal better move might be just C takes D. So this is nice, isn't it, for black, because of that bishop c5 coming in. There's trouble, big trouble. Yes, this is too loose. This whole position is too loose. So somehow he let me get away with murder. I don't know what he was doing really, and then I managed to. Okay, this was an interesting plan though. So I don't want frontal pressure on B2 here. And then, okay, I think maybe if I start with the original plan of just swallowing the pawn, so king a1, but then he might have the c file, for example, like this, and he's got this mating net set up. So what do I do? What is he? He could come in with rook c2. If he comes in with rook c2, I'm in big trouble. I think that's why I switched plan. One of the reasons. So this pawn weak. This pawn weak, slightly weak. This one. But I have to do something about this. So a pawn down. Oh dear. Probably here actually. Rook d2. This pawn, I don't know. He can bring his king up, I guess. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.